My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2022 Citroen C4. This vehicle has done just under 31,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as our automatic headlights. On the right, we have voice control, automatic wipers, and our heated steering wheel. On our screen, we can access radio, navigation, climate control, our smartphone integration, applications, and vehicle settings. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a 360 degrees parking camera with parking sensors. Just below our screen, we have our AC, which includes heated seats on either side. If we press our drive mode button, we can switch between our 3 different driving modes: Sport, Normal, and Eco. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.